subscribe to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Once again, if you're new here, my name is Chelan and this is Fembam and Wine. Thank you guys for joining me, and for today's video I will be showing you how to make a cat. And this cat is a balloon skeleton cat, and it's gonna be like this right there, guys. So using 260Q and 5 inches balloon right here, all white. And for today's video, it's gonna be recycled from the previous video that we did, the balloon mommy balloon right there that you see. Please check that out. And we recycled some of the materials. So these are the 260Qs that we use. Okay, that said, you inflate your 260Q and it's gonna look like this. So you want the tip to be hanging like this much. Okay, so we'll start off with this one right here. So if you're using just the 260Q, it's not recycled, you will inflate your 260Q. First you stretch and then you inflate, and once it's inflated, you want to make sure that you're leaving the tip like about this much. Look, a fist and a little bit, you know, a fist and a half or a quarter. So leaving the tip right there. Okay, so we'll start off with our leg right here. So I'm going to use this one right here, so about this size. You want to make a pinch and twist right there. And you want to about the same size, pinch and twist. Put this on the side here so you'll see better. And then I'll make this the same size, so I'm gonna cut the tip here. So we will make a knot. So there goes your leg right here. This is the front leg. So I will cut the excess balloon. So that's the front legs. And we'll cut a little. So you want to make a pinch and twist right here. This will be our neck. So you just attach it here. Pinch and twist again. So this would be our neck, all right? So with that said, turn this around. So you want to shape it like that. Looks like a cat, okay? So this time, I'll put this on the side. I'll grab another one. So this one right here. So basically you want to fold it this way and then pinch and twist just like that. And then you want to shape it like that. And then about the same size right here. Pinch and twist. So you can pinch and twist. So this is where I'm gonna cut. And you make a knot. See that? And you shape it. So just like that, you will make 3 of this. So I already pre-made the other 2 right here. So this would be our rib right here. Okay, and then you want to make like about a fist right here. You want to make a pinch and then you twist. You attach your first rib right here, make a pinch and then just twist it. So right there, you'll do the same thing like about 2. squeeze this. So 2 finger or 3. You just have to arrange it later. Alright, so far looking good right there. So now looking at that cat, so you want to pinch and twist. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Put this on the side for now. We'll make another leg for the back. You want to have like about the same at the front. So see right there, attach it to the tail. Put this on the bottom. So now you just have to arrange the ribs right here. So you want to have the arch right there for the tail. There you go guys, so far is good. So now we'll put this on the side. So now we will need our 5 inches balloon. So 5 inches balloon here, you inflate this. About that big. So now this will be our head. Cut the excess here as well. So now we will need our balloon glue dots. Alright guys, so here's our balloon glue dots right here. So we will attach the head right on here. So we'll pull the balloon glue dots right here. And we attach right there. There you go guys. And now we will use our marker. Right there guys. So now I'm gonna use a cardboard right here. So we'll put the ears, because we can't make like balloon ears because it is not gonna be a triangular shape. So we're not gonna use balloon on the ears because, as I said, we can't shape the 260Q into a triangular shape, just like the ears of the cat. So with that said, I use a white cardboard, and I already shaped like shape of a cat's ear. So I just have to trace the pattern right here. Then I just have to trace. I put it right here. You want it this way. Just have to fold that. And you use the tape. Use the tape on the back. And there you go, guys. It's finally done, our balloon skeleton cat for Halloween. You can make this your own and have fun. And guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this channel. And once again, my name is Chelan. This is Fembam NY. You're watching Fembam NY. Thank you for joining me. If you're still here, you probably like the video, so please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe if you haven't yet. Alright guys, we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!